Let's build our own list in Python. No built-ins, just raw power. First, we import C-types, because we're about to mess with memory directly. We define a class called list, simple name, big ambition. Inside the constructor, this is where setup happens. We start with capacity 1, just enough space for a single item, like a pocket with one chocolate. Item count is 0. Our list is empty, just like every fridge during exam time. Now we call makeArray to create the actual low-level storage. Inside makeArray, we multiply the capacity with ctypes.pyObject. It's like saying, I want space for these many objects, nothing fancy. Finally, we call it with bracket, and boom, we get raw memory space ready to use. Congrats! We've built the skeleton of a dynamic array from scratch like real devs.